Let's talk about the Click-clack with screw one. You can see this product comes into a whole section, so I'm going to tell you every single part of it. Please follow me. Okay. First would be the specification. The size of this brass cover would be 63 mm and it made by brass. You can lace your logo here. We have a laser machine in my company. If you want to improve your brand image, you can lace your own logo. About the flange size would be 62 mm, and for the height of this basement would be 40 mm. As you can see, there still have two washers here. One is made by foam, the other made by rubber. Okay, for the screw, the thread size would be M6 by 7 cm. This hole made by brass, and this is made by 201 stainless steel. After talking about the specifications of this product, let's talk about the product strengths, or you can say advantage. Let's say why you choose this Click-clack from Town Yard. The number one, I would give a credit to diamond core plating. You can see this can effectively prevent a scratch from your daily usage. Number two is color. This one is brushed nickel and this one is chrome. Besides these two colors, we also offer you other 16 colors purposely, like white, black, silver, etc. You can choose the color depends on your home decoration or your end consumer's requirement. Okay, number three is the installation. It's very easy to install. Even if you never did this plumbing work before, you can still successfully install this product onto your basin. Number four is we will give you an extra O-ring, the silicone O-ring. The purpose we are willing to do like this because we did a lot of survey and it turns out this O-ring would be very fragile in this Click-clack. Now we want to extend the product life. Number five is our company. We have a very professional team here to support you, to help to your market score through our collaboration. Okay, after talk about the product, we want to talk about the package. We have two packages. One is white box, while the other is color box. If you have your own brand, you can use our color box and use your own design. Because if you use our color box, it can help to improve your brand image. Okay, today's introduction of the product almost finished. Let's hope see you guys in my next video. I will tell you more products about our product theory. Bye.